Now we're going to be putting all the combinations together. So because it's quite a long combination of 1, 2, and 3, we're going to do it facing this way, just so you can see it from this angle, and then we're going to switch positions and we're going to do the same thing from this angle, just again so you can get another angle. So we're going to start with the open position and then we'll do closed position. So starting and side, front, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, combination 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, combination 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, closed position, and 1. So now we're going to do everything with music. We're going to do it twice facing the back so you can follow, and then we'll do it twice facing the front just for a different angle.